Saturday, Kentucky Welding Institute had a grad call late last night. He's got a test lined up in Texas. Here's the job box. He's got, so it's Saturday, he's got his test Monday. He's got a bunch, I don't know, 6 or 8 hours of HR stuff to do, computer at the house, but he's popping in. It's 11 a.m., not too early, don't get me wrong, but he's been on the HR side at the house on the computer. So he's testing in Texas, probably has a 14, 16 hour drive ahead of him, but he called me up, said he needs to brush up. He's got a 4-post simulator, welding out a monster. So we're gonna go inside here and see how he's tackling that. All right, Jaden, so we're at KWI, it's Saturday, and you got a long haul ahead of you. Where are you heading to?
Sweeney, Texas.
Sweeney? Is that what you said? Yeah. Sweeney, Texas. So you're gonna weld test in with a double time crew? Yeah, what's your test? What are you looking at?
I got 3 4-post tests. It's a Inconel monster, a combo monster, and a TIG out monster.
Day?
Yeah.
Feel good about it?
I feel pretty good.
All right, and what's you're planning on driving this 17 hours straight, or what are you gonna do?
I might get a hotel or something. Try as far as I can.
Yeah, 17 hours is a heck of a haul, man. All right, and then curious, what pay are you looking for?
I think it's 43 and 130.
43 and 130. And you're a year and a half out of KWI now? Right at? So making good money. What would you recommend to these guys looking to come to KWI, or if they graduate, just getting on a job, staying on a job? Like, what kind of things have you learned in your year and a half out so far?
You gotta learn to be more than just a welder. You gotta be able to do it all. You gotta be able to halfway know how to fit and help everybody you can.
All right, good stuff, good stuff. So we'll get out of your hair, let you finish up, and good luck to you. Thanks for coming in for some brush up, man.
Thanks, sir.
So hopefully you guys like this video. We'll be putting out more videos on our YouTube channel, so subscribe to that. And also check out our website. We have links, and we also have shop for clothing and a virtual tour. Until next time, see you there.